turn up.
What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks, and in today's video, I have my March Ipsy Glam bag. Guys, I love my Ipsy. I say this every single time, so without further ado, let's see what they sent to me for the month of March. Okay, guys, so woo! Here's my little bubble wrapped branded Ipsy bag. Let's see what's in here. Oh, there's something outside the thing. So guys, I have been doing a lot of their what are those things called, pop-up shops or whatever when it's time to shop. So I've actually been on their websites in time to select the product for each month, which is kind of fun. So I think I'm going to keep doing that because I like picking at least one thing that I absolutely want. So yeah, I'm pretty sure this is what I picked out, what was sticking outside of the little bag here. It's called Superhero Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara by It Cosmetics. So here it is. It's quite the packaging, let me tell you. That's pretty awesome, I guess, but also kind of wasteful, but you know, whatever. So here's what it's like, looks like when I open it up, and obviously the little mascara is right here. So let's pop it out. Ooh, maybe. Oh, I just ripped it. Sorry. So much for the short video on this one, right? Okay, so here it is. I am going to go ahead and give this a try very soon, but I'm still working on the Ico one that I just got in one of the pop-up shops. Oh my gosh, you guys, I love the Ico brand. I am just like convinced that nobody is going to top them. I love all of the mascaras that I've tried from them so far. So I think that just might be my brand, and that might be the one that I buy instead of trying all these ones. I don't know, we'll have to see. But I really, really love the It Cosmetics one. Okay, let's see if this mascara is on the pamphlet. It is. That is the deluxe sample at, oh, I didn't look for you guys. Does it say how much you get in here? Yeah, I don't see it. But at any rate, the full version is $25, which is what most of the mascaras from these companies run. So for 9 grams, that's not bad. I don't know. We'll see if I like it because I never like them, but we'll see. So this is a Pure Brazilian Daily Anti-Frizz Serum. Oh, it's a leave-in treatment. Okay, I will definitely give this a go. I think I've tried some things from this brand before, and I think I liked it, but to be honest with you, I can't remember. Can I smell it, or is it all sealed up and stuff? Oh, it's sealed, but the seal came off, so... Ooh, that smells really good. Awesome. All right, so this is obviously a sample at 29.5 milliliters. So how much is the full-size guy, and how much do you get? Okay, so the full-size version is 88 milliliters for $30. If I really like it and it works good, I would totally buy it. So we'll see how that one goes. Ooh, what's this? Danessa Meeks, I guess. Beauty. Sorry if I said that wrong. But it's a beauty oil, a hydrating facial oil. All right, I don't use oils on my face. I'm just saying. Here, let me show you this outside packaging thing here. And then I'll just pop it open here and show you guys what it looks like on the inside here. But I most likely will put this in a giveaway. I just do not see myself using this. I don't even really know what they're supposed to do. Use this lightweight, fast-absorbing dry oil alone or as hydrating base. Oh, so it's like a lotion for your face, but it's an oil. Yeah, guys, I definitely won't be using this. I can promise you that because my face doesn't need any more moisture. Here it is outside of the packaging that they have here. I will definitely be... if I don't drop it, I would definitely be putting it in a giveaway as long as I don't break it first. Somebody will get that, but let's go ahead and give you guys the specs on it here really quick. Obviously, that's a deluxe sample. The full-size version is 30 milliliters for $30. The deluxe sample size is... Ooh. Am I getting old? I can't read it, guys. 0.13 ounces. That is crazy to read. All right, so yeah, I don't know that I will keep that. I know, actually I know that I won't. I just told you guys I wasn't going to. All right, so we got Ciate London Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer. Okay, I will give this a go because I do like primers, so I'll give this one a try for sure. This one, Oh my gosh. Either I'm getting older, this print is getting really small and light. I'm just saying. So this is 10 milliliters or 0.34 fluid ounces. Obviously, it's a deluxe sample. Let's pull it open here and see. The full-size version is 40 milliliters for $28. Okay, that's not bad. We'll see how that one goes. And then this is the last thing that's in here. So let's pop this little thing open and see what they sent to me. Shania B. Miami. Okay. So there you go. Are those flamingos? She's in Miami, so yeah, definitely flamingos. What is it? Ooh, pretty. Is that a mirror? No. I can't see my face, so it's, not a mirror. Okay, so these are really pretty though, guys. Let me just zoom in on these colors here. Those are super, super pretty. I am going to go ahead and do a swatch. Oh, yes, please. Oh, yes. Oh, my. Okay, these are gorgeous. Look at that. All right, I am loving those. That's super pretty. Let's take a look at this right here. So that is a deluxe sample, and the full-size version of the product is $20. All right, guys, overall, this wasn't too bad. There were two things in here, I think. Two things, right? No. One thing in here that I'm not going to use. I am so organized, guys. Let's just take a little quick look here. No, there's only one thing, the oil. The oil is the only thing that I won't use in here. So I'll use everything else, and I'll put that oil in an upcoming giveaway. So I love this Ipsy Glam bag, guys. It really gives you a chance to try products that you otherwise wouldn't get to try. And it is still affordable at, I think it's $13 a month now. I really can't remember. I pay for it for the year, but I think that that's what it is now. And it used to be 12, I don't know, or is it $15? I don't know. I will pop it up for you guys because I'm sure I'm going to look it up for you. But nonetheless, this is still a very affordable way. And you get the cute little bag. Oh my gosh, I didn't show you the bag. Here's the bag for this month. It's called Power Moves. I usually do that first. You have the awesome powder blue color with this neon zipper on the top. This is super cute, guys. I love it. And I will definitely put it with, oh, look. You can hold it. Oh, that is so cute. I love that. Okay, I'm going to put it with the rest of my Ipsy bags. Guys, I will have a video on what I do with these Ipsy bags coming up at some point. I'm not going to say soon because I really don't know when I'm going to get my act together. But nonetheless, I will have a video coming up for you guys very soon with some ideas on what you can do with these Ipsy Glam bags. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye!